Let's start by creating a unique profile. Personalize your avatar with outfits, accessories, and a catchy username to show off your creativity. Next, dive into Roblox Studio. Here, you can design your own games. Experiment with different elements and unleash your imagination. Don't forget to join groups. They are a great way to expand your social network, find friends, and collaborate on projects. Let's talk about Robux. Learn the best ways to earn and spend this currency wisely for a balanced experience. Participate in events to maximize your rewards. These are exciting opportunities that let you add unique items to your collection. Stay updated by following trends. Discover which games are hot right now and keep your gameplay fresh and exciting. The Avatar shop is packed with cool accessories. Customize your look further by exploring all the options available. Engage with the community through forums and social media. Share your creations, offer feedback, and make new friends. Keep your account secure by utilizing safety features. Understand how to protect your personal information and enjoy a safe gaming experience. Lastly, optimize your game performance. Adjust settings for smoother gameplay, ensuring you enjoy every adventure without interruptions.